Hello everyone, and welcome to Word Glow, where simple English creates powerful learning. Today's video is special. Today, you are not just listening to English, you are traveling back in time. This is your English listening practice, and today I will tell you a famous and powerful story. It is the story of Cleopatra, the last queen of Egypt. She was not just beautiful, she was not just rich. She was intelligent, brave, and strong. Listen carefully, relax your mind, and enjoy this story in easy English. Let's begin. Cleopatra was born in 69 BC in Egypt. Her full name was Cleopatra VII Philopator. She was born into the royal family of Egypt. Her family ruled Egypt for many years. Cleopatra grew up in a palace. She lived a life of luxury, but her life was not easy. From a young age, she learned many important skills. Cleopatra was very intelligent. She loved learning. She studied languages, history, politics, philosophy. She could speak many languages, including Greek, Egyptian, and Latin. This made her different from other rulers. She wanted to understand her people, not just rule them. When Cleopatra was young, her father, the king of Egypt, died. After his death, Cleopatra became queen. She was only 18 years old. According to tradition, she had to rule with her brother, who was much younger than her. But soon, problems began. Cleopatra and her brother disagreed. There was fighting for power. Her enemies wanted to remove her. Cleopatra was forced to leave Egypt. She lost her throne, her palace, and her power. But she did not lose her hope. Cleopatra was not a woman who gave up easily. She planned carefully. She waited for the right moment. At that time, Rome was very powerful. A Roman leader named Julius Caesar came to Egypt. Cleopatra knew this was her chance. She secretly met Julius Caesar. Legend says she entered his room hidden inside a carpet. This shows her clever thinking and bravery. Cleopatra impressed Caesar with her intelligence and confidence. Caesar helped her. With his support, Cleopatra returned to the throne. She became the true queen of Egypt again. Cleopatra and Julius Caesar became close allies. Some say they were also in love. They worked together to make Egypt strong. Cleopatra wanted peace, not war. She wanted her country to grow and prosper. She even traveled to Rome with Caesar. People in Rome were amazed by her. She was confident, educated, and powerful. Cleopatra gave birth to a son named Caesarion. She believed her son would unite Egypt and Rome, but fate changed quickly. Julius Caesar was killed in Rome. Cleopatra lost her strongest supporter. She returned to Egypt, once again facing danger. Rome was now ruled by new leaders. One of them was Mark Antony. Mark Antony and Cleopatra met. They were very different, but they understood each other. They formed a strong partnership. They shared power, dreams, and goals. Cleopatra supported Mark Antony. Mark Antony supported Cleopatra. Together, they became very powerful. But Rome did not like this. Another Roman leader, Octavian, saw them as enemies. War began between Octavian and Mark Antony. Cleopatra supported Antony with her army and ships. The final battle was fought at sea. This battle is called the Battle of Actium. Unfortunately, Cleopatra and Antony lost. Their armies were destroyed. They had no escape. They knew the end was near. Mark Antony believed Cleopatra was dead. In sadness and shame, he took his own life. Cleopatra was heartbroken. She knew Octavian would capture her. She did not want to be taken to Rome as a prisoner. She wanted to die as a queen, not live as a slave. According to history, Cleopatra chose to end her life using a poisonous snake. She died in 30 BC. With her death, the rule of ancient Egypt ended. Egypt became part of the Roman Empire. Cleopatra was the last queen of Egypt, but her story never died. She is remembered because she was intelligent, she was brave, she spoke many languages, she ruled during dangerous times, she never stopped fighting. She was not perfect, but she was powerful. She showed the world that women can lead, think, and rule with strength. Now let's talk about you. Why is Cleopatra's story important for English learners? Because her life teaches us. 1. Intelligence is more powerful than beauty. 2. Confidence changes everything. 3. Learning skills opens doors. 4. Never give up after failure. 5. Strong communication builds power. Cleopatra learned languages. You are learning English. She faced fear. You face fear when you speak. But remember this, every strong person starts as a beginner. Dear learners, your English journey is like Cleopatra's journey. At first, it feels difficult. You may feel weak. You may feel scared. But with practice, confidence grows. Speak slowly. Listen daily. Believe in yourself. English is not about perfection. It is about progress. Thank you for learning with Word Glow. If you enjoyed this story, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep glowing.